Hey, hi, you are watching JP Tarot, and right now I'm going to do will who will your person marry you? Okay, will your person marry you? Okay, that's a straight question. Will your person marry you? And you have three piles to choose from. Pile 1, this red stone. Pile 2, this white stone. And pile 3, this black stone. If you are having obstruction due to the cards, okay, so I'm turning its face down. Okay, so choose your pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Okay, pause the video, choose your pile, and then come back to the reading. Okay, right? Okay, so those who chose this red stone, you are up. So here, as you can see, something disappointing happened in between you and your person, but somebody in this relationship has believed their person blindfoldedly. Okay, somebody trusts their person blindfoldedly. They want a good news from their person. They want success in this relationship. They want stability, but right now they are not happy. Okay, right now they are not happy. So you can see two best, I can say these are the best card. One of the best, not more cards are there, positive cards are, but this is the, in terms of stability, stable emotion and stability in a relationship, these are the most best card. Okay, one of the most best cards in the deck. Okay, this is stability and this is success. Okay, though there is sense of loss in this connection, somebody is very much disappointed because they expected something great. They expected public recognition, happiness, celebration in this relationship, but some disappointment happened in this relationship. Some setbacks were there. So though there is love, the person is not very much happy. They are in emotional pain and remorse over the happening of some instance, because of which they are not happy, but still they want stability and success in this relationship. Okay, so you have great cards, and this is showing, and this is also this one, happiness and victory. This is a victory card. Okay, despite somebody trusts their person, though they are not happy right now, but love is there, emotion is there, which is leading to some happiness and victory in this situation, a stability and success in this relationship, a stable success in this relationship. So will your person marry you? Yes, your person will marry you, because they also want stability with you. Okay, they want success in this relationship. So will your person marry you? Yes, pile 1, your person will marry you. So hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of this of my future readings. Okay, so please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you. That's all for you, pile number 1. Thank you. So those who chose this white stone, you are up. Okay. Okay, you have Knight of Swords, Magician in reverse, 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups, King of Swords. Okay, so somebody is spying on you, either you or somebody in this relationship is spying on the other person. Somebody is stalking their person, either you or your person. Though there is no effort, no manifestation going on in this relationship, but someone wants this energy to be reversed. They want some magic in this relationship. Okay, so that's why they are stalking in this relationship. They want something great. What great? They want happy family with their person, kids, home. But right now they feel like their person has moved on, or they are showing that they have moved on. They are not happy in this relationship, since they want clarity on something. So whoever is talking is not happy in this relationship. They are showing that they are not manifesting this relationship. They are not putting in any effort, because they don't because they are dissatisfied and they have moved on. But still they are stalking. They want clarity on the situation, because they want 10 of Pentacles with their this happy family life, kids with their person. Okay, so you got your answer, right? Whoever is unsatisfied still loves and wants family with their person, and that's why they are stalking, because they want clarity. They are showing that they are not putting in effort and they don't want this relationship. They are not manifesting. They have moved on, but still they are stalking. They want family, and that they want clarity on this situation. So will your person marry you? This is just the day they will rise from this stalking energy to this clarity. They will ultimately, and this, when they will get this clarity, this 8 of Cup will turn into 9 of Cup, wish fulfillment, and then things will be reversed, means manifestation and magic will happen, and ultimately 10 of Cup will be received in this relationship. A family life, happy kids, family will be there in this relationship. But until this person doesn't get any clarity over the situation, they are not going to take any move. They will keep on stalking you or their person, whoever is doing this thing, either you or your person. So they will continue to stalk their person until and unless they don't get clarity. Will your person marry you? They have intentions to marry you. So happy future is ahead. But this is a maybe. The answer is maybe, because this relationship needs equal participation. If any of the person, or the person who is expecting clarity from the other person, fails to deliver that clarity to their person, nothing is going to happen in this situation. Only stalking will happen. And don't know if this person, if under pressure also, means they want clarity and suddenly their person got engaged or something, they are not going to do any effort in this relationship. They will let things happen, because they want clarity. Until and unless they don't get clarity, they are not going to involve in this relationship. Might they have been hurt in the past or something like that, so they will, though they will face pain, they have withdrawn themselves, but they are manifesting. They want this family. They will be in huge pain, but they want clarity. So this is a maybe like situation. However, this strong sense keeps telling me that the person will do something to protect this relationship. However, clarity is needed in this situation. So for right now, for this moment, this is a maybe. Okay. However, it's a yes, particularly a yes, but maybe right now, maybe effort is needed to turn it into a yes, because all cards are positive. Okay, all cards are positive, only effort is needed in this relationship. So hope you liked this reading. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you. That's all for you, pile number 2. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share, subscribe. Goodbye. So those who chose this black stone, you are up. Okay. Okay. Somebody is expecting a lot in this relationship. They want some success in this relationship, though they are not in communication with their partner. They are not, they are holding their emotion. They are holding their emotion. They are not taking any offer of their person. They are not in communication with their person. They are not showing any interest in any proposal posed in front of them by the partner, since they are feeling some sort of anxiety in this relationship. However, they want this marriage. This is a marriage card. Ultimately, a marriage card is there, so there's no question about anything, because marriage card is the approval that your person will marry you, because they expect a lot from you. They hold the emotion. They are not reciprocating your offer. Either you have given them offers, the same sort of offer, the marriage offer or something, or might be you have just offered something that is meager or very much less in comparison to their expectation of marriage. Okay, so you have offered them little, they want something great, might be the case. Okay, so your person is expecting, they are keeping their emotion with them, they are not accepting your offer, since they have some anxiety and fear issue that will you marry them or not. Might be they fear, they don't completely trust that you will marry or not. Give them some assurance, give them proof. They want proofs. Okay, so they are not accepting your proposal. They are holding their emotion, because they want you to clear their fears and their distrust in this situation. They want some clarity to release this anxiety in order to be with you, to get married with you. Have a, I will suggest your person wants I think they want a proposal from the part of your family, not only you proposing them again for marriage or giving them some assurance is not making them feel good. They need your family participation, might be the case. Okay, they want assurance from the overall assurance. Involvement of your family will provide them some security. because they feel like, might be they feel like that something bad can happen. Might be I'm not getting anything, but there is issues that you are offering, but they are not fearing that things will turn out bad, something like that. So they are expecting a marriage from you. Okay, your person is expecting marriage from you. So might be your person will ultimately marry you. Okay, just you need to sort out things in order to make them feel good and trust you once again if something happened in between you two. Okay, so your person wants clarity, assurance to be with you. This is a marriage card. Definitely your person is going to marry you. Okay, definitely your person is going to marry you. That's a good card. This so hope you liked it. You clarify things and involve your parents to win your person's trust and move ahead. So will your person marry you? Yes, your person will marry you. Okay, that's your answer. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Okay, please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, that's all for you. Pile number 3. Thank you.